Think investing is complicated. It's actually just a few main categories. Master these four terms, and you'll master the language of finance. First, equity. Equity means ownership. When you own equity, you own a small piece of a company. If the company grows, your investment grows too. But if it struggles, the value of your investment can fall. Next, bonds. A bond is a loan you give to a government or company. Instead of becoming an owner, you become a lender. In return, they promise to pay you interest and repay your original money on a set date. Bonds are generally considered safer than stocks, but they usually offer lower returns. Then there are debentures. A debenture is a specific type of corporate bond. Unlike standard bonds, a debenture is not backed by specific assets. Instead, it's backed by the company's reputation and its ability to repay the debt. Finally, stocks. Stocks represent units of ownership in a business. In everyday language, the terms stocks and shares are often used interchangeably. Buying stocks makes you a shareholder, allowing you to benefit from growth and sometimes dividend payments. To recap, equity means ownership. Bonds are loans you provide for interest. Debentures are loans backed by trust. And stocks make you a partial owner. Once you understand the difference between owning and lending, you're already ahead of most beginners. Follow for more simple finance lessons that make investing easy to understand.